How to hide Snapchat score. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Snapchat score on Snapchat. Now, there's basically two options you have. You can either hide your Snapchat score from general public only and make it visible to your friends, or you can hide it from your friends too. Now, to be able to do so, what you want to do is first open the Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon or Bitmoji icon and then head to your profile. Now once here, what you want to do is head over to settings. You can see settings icon on the top right corner of your screen and scroll all the way down below, and you can see under privacy control the option contact me. Now here, what you want to do is simply tap in friends. Now if you set this to friends, then only your friends will be able to see your Snapchat score. But if you set this to everyone, then everyone else or general public will be able to view your Snapchat scores. So if you want to hide it from your general public except your friends, if you want your friends to see Snapchat score but not others, then just simply tap this on friends. However, if you want to hide this from your friends too, then there is no option, but what you can do is simply go ahead and unfriend the friend that you wanna hide your Snapchat score from. Now to be able to do so, you can simply head over to your friends option here, and then you can simply select the friend that you want and then head over to the profile and tap on three dots option and head to manage friendship, and you can remove friend. And once you remove them friend, they won't be able to view your Snapchat score. So this is the only option that you can hide your Snapchat score from your friends. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.